You guys already know what today is. Today we are going to be cleaning this house. Let me tell y'all. Look how disrespectful my family is to me. They don't love me. They don't love me. Because if they love me, it wouldn't be cereal on the bench. Cereal all over there, right? Look at that. A bowl of cereal right there. Let me tell you. Look at this. It's a mess. It's a mess. Let me show you my living room. I can love you in the dark. Look at that. Shoes on the floor. They don't care. They don't care until I gotta come up with my character. I don't understand. I don't understand. Why do I have to come up with my character for them to understand where I'm coming from? So, we all finna be cleaning today. Let's get into it.
Let us proceed with the first song. Let us proceed with the first song.
All right, y'all, so I am done. We are done. The family is done cleaning. Whew, I'm tired now and I'm sweating. But we are done cleaning. Let me show you what we got going on. The house is clean. Don't worry about all of that. You don't know. Don't worry about none of that. Don't worry about none of that. I still gotta cook, so. You feel me? Don't worry about none of that. You feel me? I just wanna thank all you guys for watching. I appreciate you subscribing and commenting, liking, all of that stuff. But I gotta go tend to the family. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shea butter, babe.